Hi there mga kaipunaryo, isa ka bang OFW, small business owner, online seller, or empleyado na gustong umasenso at magnegosyo? This video is for you because we are going to unpack yung first 5 life-changing lessons mula sa isang napaka-respetadong speaker at businessman na walang iba kundi ang aking mentor na si Francis Kong. Kung kayo interesado, nako, finish this video.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinky Tan again. Ako sobrang akong excited because napadaan sa aking YouTube channel ang isang communicator, isang author, entrepreneur, sales expert for 30 years. Ang pangalan niya si John Rankins. May experience po sa pagnenegosyo po taga-Amerika at siya yung may akda ng programang The Sales Machine. In-interview niya ang aking ninong at talagang sobra akong na-impress. Na-impress sa mga natutunan ko ulit sa video na ito. Kaya isi-share ko po sa inyo. Bear with me, kumuha kayo ng ballpen, papel. This is a master class session. So, ano ang naging crisis daw ng isang Francis Kong na humubog po sa kanya? Let's listen.
Crisis that I had was pretty bad. That incident not happened to me, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing right now.
If you don't stand out or you don't go the extra mile, you're gonna get left behind.
Totoo to. Minsan kailangan talaga natin mabigo, no, para tayo ay umangat. Instead of asking bakit kaya ako, dapat tanungin natin pag dumadaan tayo sa matinding pagsubok sa buhay is, ano kayang matututunan natin? Always remember, yung crisis talaga ay hindi katapusan. Ito ay simula ng pagbabago. And I personally have experienced many crises. Alam nyo, ito lang sabihin ko po sa inyo. Sometimes crises are used by God in order for us to be redirected. Kasi minsan, meron tayong mga gusto sa buhay pero hindi naman talaga yung nakakabuti sa atin eh. Alam mo, kagandahan dito talaga, pag dumadaan din tayo sa crisis, tumitibay tayo. Yung parang mas nagmamature tayo bilang tao. And then, in reality, crisis does not change us. It just reveals our character, our courage. Yung pagkatao natin, nilalabas lang ang tunay na pagkatao. Kaya ito sasabihin ko po sa inyo, hindi lahat ng mga pagsubok, pagkabigo, pagsugat sa buhay ay masama. May mga sugat na ginagamit ng pagkakataon ni Lord na tayo po ay lalo pang tumigay. Darating ang panahon, pag tayo po ay natuto, ito ipapagagalingin at para tayong gumaling pa sa buhay. That's number 1. Tapos may tinanong naman sa kanya in terms of yung trabaho niya. Anong ba yung trabaho niya nung siya ay nag-umpisa?
What a lot of people did not know, my earlier days, when my first job and exposure into the garments industry was not glamorous at all. I was fixing show windows and changing clothes from mannequins to mannequins.
Grabe naman talaga, no? Nagbihis pa lang siya ng mga mannequin. So, makikita po natin walang maliit na trabaho sa taong na may malaking pangarap. Kahit na ikaw ay nag-umpisa bilang janitor, kahit na dishwasher, delivery rider, basta marangal, panalo ka. Kaya nga, I want to encourage you. Huwag mo sabihin na, rider lang ako. No, hindi ka rider. Diba? Work with pride, regardless of your position. Alam mo, yung maliliit na trabaho na yan will lead to big results kung may tama kang attitude. I can still remember ako. Alam mo, nag-umpisa po ako. Nagbenta lang ng toilet paper, tapos naalala ko for a season. Nagtrabaho ko sa isang record bar. Kasi hindi ito bar na inuman. May mga bentahan kasi ng plaka at ako yung tagalipat ng plaka sa cassette tape. Ako yung taga-record. Opo, ang binabayaran sa akin, I think 25 cents out of 75 cents. Katakanta. Imagine mo. I just want to encourage you, walang maliit at malaking trabaho. Depende lang sa gaano kalaki ka mangarap. Kaya lahat tayo ay nag-uumpisa sa mababa. Ibig sabihin yan, always remember, lahat ng lumalaki ay nag-uumpisa sa maliit. Now, let's go on to the third lesson na pwede nating mapakinggan.
I started to study and there were 3 books written by 3 authors that radically changed my life. And I'll remember this would be the books of Zig Ziglar. 3 authors, the books that they wrote.
Grabe, no? Oo, importante talaga yung self-education, di ba? Nagbasa siya ng mga libro, ng mga akda. Alam mo, ito lang okay na talagang makagraduate ka sa school, pero mas okay na hindi ka tumigil sa pag-aaral kahit na ikaw ay graduate sa school. At kung ikaw naman hindi ka nakagraduate, wala kang degree, pwede ka pa rin matuto. Why? Because you can invest right now in personal growth. Hindi porket wala kang diploma, wala ka ng pag-asa. Alam mo, maraming mga successful na tao dyan na hindi nakapagtapos, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-aral, katulad ko, nag-aaral pa rin ako ngayon. Kaya nga, huwag niyong mamaliitin yung pagbabasa ng mga libro, kikinig ng mga podcast, nunood ng mga videos na kanito, maghanap ng mga mentors na pwedeng makatulong po sa inyo. Because learning is a habit. It's not a one-time event. And the only thing that is permanent in this world is what? Change. Kung ano ang laman ng utak mo, maniwala ka, yan ang soon na magiging laman ng bulsa mo. And I am testament of that. And then number 4, ang tanong naman sa kanya, paano naman, like for example, marami ka ng trabaho, sobra ka ng overwork, paano ba talaga umasenso? Ito ang sinabi niya.
This is not the life I wanted, so let's take a look at the next goal. I want to be in sales. I look at all the veteran salespeople in our company, they were not learning. But you see, I built up the courage in presenting myself to the boss and said, the next time you're going to be having your own sales meeting, why don't you include me there? And this guy so looked at me and he said, well, what is this guy changing mannequins to do with our meeting? And I reasoned it out and I said, in order for me to do my job better, I need to know your directions. Maybe the way I would present them as showcases in the windows would be more relevant to increasing your sales.
Kapatid, kung gusto mong mag-level up sa buhay, huwag kang maghintay. Kumilos ka. Opportunity is not given. It's taken. You create the opportunities. Ano sa palagay nyo ang mas effective? You wait, you make, or you wonder? Definitely, you make things happen. Kaya nga, kahit na wala pang opportunity na may promotion, gumawa ka ng opportunity para ikaw may promote. Alam mo, wag po tayong yung feeling ba na parang kawawa, feeling victim. Alam mo, maniwala ka. You show your best. You always show your best. And then, if you are the best at what you're doing, maniwala ka, sooner or later, people are willing to pay your price. And then, ito pa yung last. Talagang pumukaw ng aking damdamin. Paano ka hihingi ng tulong or ng favor sa iba? At itong sinabi niya.
Now, I would run to this veteran salesman and try to get some bits and pieces of information that will help me with my work, and they won't do that. They're not going to share their secrets, right? In fact, they bully me. He says, you're a newcomer, bring us coffee and bring us cigarettes. And I said, okay. Because the number one most important thing is to earn their trust. And you can't earn their trust until you intentionally build a relationship with them. Let them bully me. How far can they go? So after a while, they began sharing their secrets with me. And I was learning again.
Totoo yan. Grabe, alam mo, ang tiwala ay hindi po hinihingi yan. Dapat ito ay pinagtatrabahuan yan. Paano? Kailangan maging consistent ka. Kailangan respectful ka. Chinky, paano kung di naman ako nire-respeto? Sandali lang. Ito lang Ang one thing that I've learned in life, especially yung sinasabi nga ni Francis para sa akin, Chinky, mas mawala na lahat. Mawala negosyo, mawala ng kita, pero wag lang masira ang pangalan mo. Sa negosyo, tiwala ang currency mo. People won't transact and won't buy from people they don't trust. Do you agree? People won't trust their ideas if they don't trust you. Kaya it's very important, no? Kailangan po talaga magpakumbaba po tayo. Apat, magpakita tayo na pwede tayong pagkatiwalaan. Kaya sa lahat ng mga taong nangangarap, hindi lang sapat na may pangarap kung wala namang gawa at walang tamang pag-uugali at mindset. So balikan po natin ano po ang natutunan po natin sa episode na ito. Number 1, crisis. Yung crisis gawin nating opportunity. Yung trabaho mo, dapat bigyan mo ng dangal. Walang maliit at malaking trabaho. Number 3, yung kaalaman. Hanapin po natin, pag-aralan po natin dahil ang pag-asenso, ang pag-unlad at pagyaman ay napag-aaralan. Oportunidad, huwag nating hintayin. Tayo po ay gawin natin at lapitan po natin. Number 5, tiwala ay kailangan po nating buuin. Huwag madaliin. Kaya nga sa 5 lessons na ito, anong lesson ang pinakatumama sa puso mo? Paki-comment na lang sa comment section. Guys, abangan nyo tong part 2 na ito. Sa part 2 po, pag-uusapan po natin doon ng innovation o AI, Timeless Business Principle. Kaya nga, huwag kang mawawala. May part 2 pa ito. Guys, I'll keep this short. Dami na kasi talaga nagme-message po sa akin lately. Chinky, paano mo ba ako matutulungan ng mas personal? Kailangan ko talaga ng guidance at hindi ako sure kung tama ba yung ginagawa ko sa finances ko. So ito na, for the first time ever at baka last na rin, depende rin sa load and sched ko, I'm opening a one-on-one coaching session. Hindi po yung typical na bahala na si Batman. Nope. These are only for people who are serious. Like handa na kayo magpa-coach, magpa-mentor, humingi ng personal advice, and ready to work on an accountability system. And then I just want to tell you, hindi to instant, no? Instant yaman. Kung yan ang habol mo talaga, this is not for you. For people who are serious, here's what you're gonna get. Number 1, we're going to have 2 one-on-one sessions. Tayong dalawa lang, walang istorbo. And then, on top of that, may 12 months exclusive small group coaching ka. Mas konti, mas tutok, you are with like-minded people. And plus, ito pang bonus. May direct access po kayo sa akin sa WhatsApp group. Pwede kayong magtanong anytime, anywhere. Kahit anong oras, basta wag lang 3 a.m. Parang awa nyo na. And ang total value to, sobrang sulit. Pero hindi muna natin ilalabas ang details dito. Syempre, for VIP lang. These are only for people who are serious. I-DM mo na lang ako kung curious ka. Walang pilitan. For the first 10 action takers, meron pa akong bonus. I'm going to offer you 2 one-on-one coaching sessions additional on top of the 2. So in other words, 4 na ang makukuha mo. And itong dalawa na ito is absolutely for free. Bakit ko ginagawa to? Simple lang. Gusto ko talagang nga makausap kayo. Siguro ito na yung matagal na dinadasal nyo na gusto nyo mas madali, mas may clarity, at may taong talagang gagabay po sa inyo. Again, these are only for 10 people and then hindi to parating bukas at ayaw kong magsisi ka after this. Sabi mo, sayang, sana nag-sign up na pala ako. So if you're interested, all you need to do is just click the link or scan nyo na lang tong QR code or mag-PM na lang po kayo sa akin. Let's see if this is really for you. Maraming salamat po. Abangan nyo na lang po yung part 2. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina po ang susi sa pagyaman.